Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your Steam trade offers. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can access various account features and settings. Once your profile page loads, look over to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll find several navigation options related to your Steam account. Among these options, locate and click on Inventory. This section is where all your Steam items, trading cards, and game collectibles are stored. It's essentially your digital collection hub within Steam. Now, while you're in the inventory section, keep your eyes on the right panel again. You'll notice another option labeled Trade Offers. Click on this option to proceed. This is the specific area where Steam displays all incoming and outgoing trade offers related to your inventory items. It's a centralized location that makes managing your trades much more convenient. After clicking on trade offers, you'll be taken to a page that shows all your active trade offers. This includes any offers you've sent to other players as well as offers that others have sent to you. From here, you can review each offer in detail, accept trades that interest you, or decline ones that don't. Keep in mind that if you don't have any active trade offers at the moment, this page will simply appear empty, which is completely normal if you haven't been trading recently or haven't received any new offers. And that's it. You've now accessed your Steam Trade Offers page where you can manage all your trading activity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.